Let's talk about grilled corn, a true icon of summer gatherings, backyard barbecues, and sun-soaked picnics. There's something about the sight of golden cobs sizzling on the grill that instantly brings people together, evoking memories of laughter, warmth, and the simple joys of sharing food outdoors. But grilled corn isn't just a seasonal favorite, it's a marvel of food science, where heat and chemistry work their magic to create something extraordinary from something so humble. When corn hits the grill, its natural sugars begin to caramelize, unlocking a deep, nutty sweetness that boiling simply can't achieve. The transformation is almost alchemical, turning each kernel into a tiny burst of flavor. The smoky char from the grill adds a layer of complexity, perfectly balancing the corn's inherent sweetness. Each bite delivers a satisfying pop, juicy and full of life, with a hint of smokiness that lingers on your palate. Grilled corn is a true sensory experience. There's the irresistible aroma of smoke and caramelized sugars, the golden char that promises flavor, and the steamy, tender kernels that burst with every bite. And when you slather that hot, grilled corn with melting butter, it becomes the ultimate combination of sweet, savory, and rich, creamy fat. The butter seeps into every crevice, amplifying the corn's natural flavors and making each mouthful unforgettable. Of course, not all grilled corn is created equal. We've all bitten into a dry, chewy cob and felt that pang of disappointment. That's usually the result of rushing the process or skipping key steps. The secret to perfect grilled corn? Start by steaming the corn in its husk. This gentle method locks in moisture, ensuring every kernel stays plump and juicy. Then, unwrap the corn and finish it with a quick char on the grill. This final step adds that signature smoky flavor and beautiful golden color, while keeping the inside tender and moist. Mastering this simple two-stage process unlocks corn's full potential, transforming it from an ordinary side dish into something truly special. So next time you fire up the grill, remember, with a little care, you can elevate corn to the star of your summer table, a backyard masterpiece everyone will crave. To achieve corn perfection, start with the freshest ears. Look for bright green husks and sticky tassels. Plan for 1 ear per person, plus a few extras. Unsalted butter is essential. It lets you control the seasoning. Let the butter soften at room temperature for easy mixing. Kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper are your must-have seasonings. Pre-ground pepper won't cut it. Freshly ground is a flavor game changer. You'll also need a large container or sink to soak the corn, a grill, charcoal for more smoke, tongs, and a brush or knife for buttering. Hydration is key, so don't skip the soaking step. With these tools and ingredients, you're ready for prep. Let's move on to prepping the cobs. Don't strip the husk. Use it as a natural steamer. The husk is more than just a wrapper. It's nature's way of locking in moisture and flavor. By keeping it on, you're setting yourself up for corn that's juicy, sweet, and perfectly cooked. Gently peel back the husks without detaching them, almost like opening a present. Take your time to carefully remove every strand of silk. Those fine threads can be stubborn, but a little patience goes a long way. Removing the silk now means you won't have to pick it out later while eating. Once desilked, pull the husks back up to cover the kernels. Make sure the husks are snug, wrapping the corn like a cozy blanket. This step is key for even cooking and helps the corn steam in its own juices. Submerge the re-wrapped cobs in cold water for at least 30 minutes. This soaking process is essential. It allows the husks to absorb water, which will turn to steam on the grill and keep the corn from drying out. This hydrates the husks, so they steam the corn and don't burn up on the grill. The result? Corn that's smoky, tender, and never charred or dry. It's a simple trick that makes a world of difference. While the corn soaks, prep your compound butter and preheat the grill. Use this time to mix your favorite herbs and spices into softened butter, so it's ready to slather on the hot corn later. Getting the grill hot now means you'll be ready to cook as soon as the corn is prepped. After soaking, shake off excess water but keep the cobs moist. The moisture is what creates that perfect steam effect, so don't dry them off completely, just enough so they're not dripping. The corn is now prepped, hydrated, and ready for grilling. Each cob is primed for maximum flavor and tenderness, and you've set the stage for a truly delicious result. This step ensures juicy, tender kernels every time. The difference is clear the moment you bite in. Each kernel bursts with flavor and moisture thanks to your careful prep. Efficiency in the kitchen means better results on the plate. By organizing your steps and prepping ahead, You make the cooking process smoother and more enjoyable. Don't skip the soak. It's the foundation of perfect grilled corn. With your cobs prepped and your butter ready, you're just moments away from grilling greatness. Let's make the butter. Compound butter is the secret to next-level corn. Start with softened, unsalted butter in a bowl. Add a teaspoon of kosher salt and half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Mash until smooth and evenly mixed. Want to elevate it? Add chopped herbs, smoked paprika, chili powder, or minced garlic. Mix in your extras until fully combined. Spoon the butter onto plastic wrap, roll into a log, and chill for at least 30 minutes. This makes it easy to slice and apply later. The butter will melt perfectly over hot corn, coating every kernel. Now let's grill. Start by preheating your grill to medium-high, about 400 degrees or 200 degrees. This is the sweet spot for grilling corn, ensuring the outside gets a nice char while the inside steams to juicy perfection. Give your grill a few extra minutes to reach this temperature and make sure the grates are clean and lightly oiled to prevent sticking. If you're using a charcoal grill, set up 2 heat zones, one side hot, the other cooler. This gives you more control, letting you move the corn around as needed to avoid burning and to finish cooking gently. Take your soaked, husk-on corn and place it directly on the grill grates. The moisture in the husks will create steam, helping the kernels cook evenly and stay plump. Arrange the corn so there's a little space between each ear for even heat distribution. Then, close the lid to trap the heat and steam, which will infuse the corn with smoky flavor and speed up the cooking process. Grill the corn for 15 to 20 minutes, turning each ear every 5 minutes. This rotation helps achieve even charring and prevents any one side from burning. Listen for the gentle sizzle and watch for the husks to start browning. Don't worry if the husks turn black and charred. That's exactly what you want. The blackened husks mean the corn inside is soaking up all that smoky, grilled flavor. Once the corn feels tender when squeezed with tongs, you have 2 delicious options. Serve it right away, husks and all, for a dramatic tableside reveal, or carefully peel back the husks and return the naked cobs to the grill for a quick, direct sear. This final sear only takes a minute or 2 per side. It adds a deep, caramelized flavor, and those classic grill marks that make grilled corn irresistible. Be careful not to overdo it. The corn is already cooked through at this point. Overcooking can dry it out, so keep an eye on it and remove it promptly. The result? Beautifully caramelized corn with golden grill marks, bursting with sweet, smoky flavor and a hint of char. Lift the corn off the grill with tongs and get ready for the best part, adding your favorite toppings. Now, it's time for the finishing touch. A generous swipe of butter, letting it melt into every crevice of your perfectly grilled corn. Peel back the charred husks to reveal steaming golden corn. Use the husks as a handle, nature's design at its best. Slice a pat of chilled compound butter and place it on the hot cob. Watch it melt and cascade down, coating every kernel. Turn the corn to spread the butter evenly. The heat releases the flavors of herbs and spices in the butter. Each bite is sweet, smoky, salty, and rich. This isn't just buttered corn, it's a flavor explosion. The compound butter ensures perfect seasoning in every bite. Now let's talk toppings. Grilled corn is the perfect canvas for creativity. Try a squeeze of lime for brightness, or roll the buttered corn in crumbled kardea, feta, or parmesan for a savory crust. Add chili powder or cayenne for heat, or smoked paprika for extra depth. Serve with enthusiasm and plenty of napkins. Corn is meant to be enjoyed hands-on. Pair it with grilled meats, or let it shine solo. Cut kernels off the cob for a smoky corn salad or salsa. The method is your foundation. Customize as you wish. Grill with confidence and make every ear your own.